Hello you guys, it's Debbie. Hello. That sounded weird. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and if I've already met you then hey. So today I am following a Nikki Tutorials video using nothing what she uses. And the reason why I'm doing this is because you watch so many videos and like half the time you don't even have all the stuff, and then you're thinking, oh, do I need to buy this stuff to create this look? And my answer to that is no. It's not even about the colours either, like, you know, just mix it up. Just watch their technique and the consistency of the stuff they're using, then you'll get the look or something similar, you know, make it your own. So yeah, today I am following one of her tutorials, and to be honest, I watched it and thought I actually don't have anything that she's using. So, perfect video. So let's get started and see what she's doing first. I don't have any of those little dropper things.
It's a bit wrong, doesn't it? And that is...
So I am just using a primer, which is the Ultra Strobe Cream from Makeup Revolution, because it is one that gives your skin more of a luminous kind of look, and I basically look the same. Yeah, so I'm just gonna blend that all in. Just use my fingers, like, you know. So I'm looking a little brighter at the minute. What's next?
Using the brand new Makeup Revolution foundation sticks. The Fast Base Stick Foundation.
Because she said fast, drying, and it's full coverage and stuff, I am going to go in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, because this is really fast drying on me. So I'm just going to pat that on the skin. Pretend it's a beauty blender. And what's good about this foundation is it covers my spots. Thank God for that. And she likes to go over her lips, doesn't she? Like, I never do that. Like, you know, if it goes over a tiny bit, then yeah, but I don't know. She always goes over her full lip, and it's like, okay.
I'm putting a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation on the back of my hand.
So I didn't
using that to buff
fully,
this in.
Clearly, because I didn't realize she used two different foundations, but I've already got this one on, so there's no point, okay? Is there? No, I'm not going to put on 2 layers of foundation. No, I don't.
These are so creamy, so rich, so good. I have not been able to put them down.
Okay, so liquid concealer, the only one that I have is the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer, and it is in the shade Fur, I believe. It is Fur. So I'm using this because it is super creamy, as she says. She put a wee tiny bit on her chin and down the nose, and I'm gonna add a wee bit here too, as you do. And she's using the beauty blender again, but we aren't. I'm using a foundation brush and just patting that on.
The Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline in 05 to set the under eyes. And for the rest of the face, I'm using the Hourglass Veil.
Okay, so for the powder, I'm just going to use the same powder all over the face because, you know, I'm broke. So I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and set where I done the concealer. And then with a big brush, big fluffy brush, I'm going to pat around the rest of the face. Set it. Whoa.
Okay, you know what time it is. I'm quickly gonna do my brows off camera.
So, she didn't do her eyebrows on camera, but let's be honest, my eyebrows are never going to be like her eyebrows. My eyebrow one is like way up here because I always raise this eyebrow, and this one way down here, and I'll feel like, and I actually look how the face I've just paused this on. So, yes, I am just going to fill in my eyebrows with medium brown by L'Oreal. I was about to say L'Oreal True Match. It's not. It is Maybelline, I think. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe it ain't. It is Rimmel London. I'm so wrong.
I'm using the P. Louise base. This is, if you're not about this yet, be about it.
So I am raging that she's using the P. Louise base because that's what I always use for my eye base. So I need to go with something high coverage. Blends in nicely. The only thing that I have is this Healer Concealer. It's only like £4 and this is what I always used to use. You can use any concealer, it's just this one is quite thick. This one is a lot lighter than the base though.
And with this color here.
So that looks like a brownie orange kind of tone to it. So I am going in with a brownie orange kind of colour from the Lick and Lash Beauty Palette 35O.
Also going back into... For this, I'm taking the Friendcation palette from the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie collaboration and taking this color right here. And I'm
just going to go in with the Stacey Marie Carnival palette and I'm going to use these two colours to create this look.
This darker chocolate color here to deepen up the crease.
So it looks like she used the same brush and went in with the darker shade to do underneath, she said. Carving out the lid, I'm guessing she's using the P. Louise base again. So I'm going to have to go in with that Healer Concealer again. So this is looking nothing like what Nikki has done.
Called Light Up the Party. Light of the Party.
So I'm going to go back in with the Lick and Lash 35O palette and go into this colour.
Using a chrome cream eyeshadow to line.
So I do not have any kind of chrome kind of eyeshadows. I just don't. But what I'm using is the MAC Fix Plus or any setting spray and a gold out of the palette again. Spray that. And go in with the gold. Okay, so just like her, I am going to go off and do this eye off camera and then I'll be back and I'm going to add a wee bit of brown under there because she didn't actually mention that in the video. But yeah, I'm going to go do this eye, fill in a little bit underneath and then I'll be back to do the rest. I've just finished the eyes and I'm back to do the face. So what is next?
Bronze. As always, I'm using my Jouer Bronzing Duo in light medium.
So the bronzer I'm going to be using is the MAC Give Me Sun because this is my usual bronzer. She just kind of gently goes round instead of, you know, really packing it on like I normally would.
Oh, it is called Glazed Donut.
She is using Glazed Donut, but because I cannot use what she's using, I am using the Space Baby one instead. It does look like she's went down her nose and stuff with a highlighter, so that's what I'm doing. I think I done it a wee bit too much though.
So I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty lipstick in the color Griselda.
Yeah, so I'm going to mix two different ones, which is the Pro Lipstick Noir Midnight and Darkness. And I'm just going to put on this one first. And then mix in the darker one. It is more purpley shade on this, but you know, don't hate me.
Now you can absolutely leave the look like this, but of course I want to be extra and make it glittery. So I'm going in with this Helen E glitter.
And because I don't have a berry kind of glitter, I am going to make my own sparkle. And I'm going to use the Stila Perlina. Put that on the back of my hand. Mix in a bit of that purpley kind of glitter on my hand. Okay, so everyone, that is me finished following one of Nikki Tutorials videos, and I've had so much fun doing it. So yeah, if you like this video, then please subscribe, check out my other videos, and also comment down below who else you'd like me to follow using nothing what they're using. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!